Yes.
Okay, so let's look at part D. Ready? What's this little guy called? Absolute value. There you go. Are y'all okay with that? Alright, so where do parent graphs start? The origin, there you go. And what's the first number after 0? 1. So if I go right 1, what's the absolute value of 1? So I'm going to go up 1. Alright, let's go to negative 1. What's the absolute value of negative 1? So I'm going to go up 1. There you go. Okay, what about after 1? What's after 1? 2. So you're going to go right 2. What's the absolute value of 2? I'm going to go up 2.
You're going to go, it's going to be negative 2.
There you go. Absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2. Alright, let's do one more. Let's go to 3. If I go to 3, what's the absolute value of 3?
3.
So I'm going to go up 3. Alright, last one. Here we go. Let's go to negative 3. What's the absolute value of negative 3? 3. There you go. And look at that nice, pretty V shape. You all okay with that? Bella, you okay, buddy? Okay. Do you need to go back over how I got that? Okay. Alright, this guy right here. Do you see part E? There's nothing you can really graph about it. You just need to know what he looks like. So he looks like this. Like that. He's kind of like two waves, kind of. Everything's a whole bunch of decimals, so you really can't graph that. I mean, you guess you could, but it's going to be really difficult. Alright, so what do you notice about this guy right here? Huh?
It does not start.
It does not start at the origin. Well, technically there's an asymptote right here and right here. So, but we'll get to that later. What do you notice about the equation?
Y equals 1 over x.
It's a fraction. First thing's 1 over x, right? And what else do you notice about the fraction? X is in the denominator. You got a test tomorrow, and one of the very first rules about linear equations was that x could not be in the denominator, right? Okay, so here we go. So we have x is in the denominator. So how many of you are planning on taking the ACT Saturday? Anybody? A couple of us?
I'm not 100% sure.
All right, what about in October? Anybody signed up for the October one? A couple of us?
I'm going to get
Yeah.
October
All right,
one.
ACT.org. Nope, not anymore. Not on paper anymore. It's online. But you're going to need your mammy because you're going to need her credit card. Or her PayPal or whatever she's going to pay with. So look, guys, there's a lot of questions on the ACT. Actually, I think there's one. There's at least always one where it asks you some random, crazy question. But you see that if it has a square, what kind of graph is it supposed to make? A parabola. You see that if it's got, it's got an x in the denominator, so it's supposed to have this crazy looking graph. Does that make sense to everybody? You may have no idea what the question is asking you, but you see, there's an absolute value, so I better pick the V-shaped graph. Are y'all okay with that? Yeah? Alright, so then let's call, this one is called a rational function. Parent graphs. Got them good? Alright. There's actually a few more that we're going to learn later, but not right now. Alright, so go ahead and put that away. Here's what we're going to do. Nobody is going to take their perfect squares test on their phone. We're going to take it on the computers. But you can pull up your phone for Google Classroom because the study guide key is on Google Classroom for you, okay? If you do not have your phone, the study guide key is pinned to the front of the board up there. So if you don't have your phone, the key's right up there for you. Are y'all okay?
Yes.